Are you ever thought of making money by selling ebooks? In today's video, I am gonna show you how to create stunning ebook less than a minute by using AI. This side hustle literally makes you a thousands, but side hustle needs consistency and patience to earn lots of money. So do it every day to see amazing results. This has a potential to change your financial life also. So watch this video till the end. At first, we must find the global trending topic because it's important that if you make ebook about the trending topics, then it is easily attracts people to buy the ebook. So this step is important. To find trending topics, we have Google Trends. So go to Google Trends and click Explore tab and change to Worldwide. It shows what are the trending topics all over the world for the past 12 months. So choose any of it. For this video, I choose DeepSeek because it is the most popular topic in tech industry. After choosing trending topic, go to ChatGPT or DeepSeek to write the content of the ebook. For the change, I use DeepSeek for this video. This is the DeepSeek website that I told. Give a prompt like, can you write a catchy ebook about DeepSeek? It gives some of the amazing content for the ebook. Before copy that content, read every sentence carefully because AI may make some mistakes. So after checked, copy the contents. After that, go to Google Docs. This is the Google Doc that I told. Paste the contents carefully. Again check whether all the contents are copied or not. Make some arrangements and give a proper outlook like ebook. Make bold letters wherever they need. So after that, download the document as PDF. Before downloading, one thing you have to write in your last page of your book is disclaimer. Add like, this book is powered by AI. If you don't put the disclaimer, then Google will ban the ebook. So don't forget to add that. So we make the contents of the ebook. Now we are going to make amazing and attractive ebook cover. The ebook cover is the most important thing because it will be shown to people before buying. So attractive ebooks cover full of more people and it can easily make them buy. To create cover, go to Canva and search ebook cover. This is the Canva website that I told. Now search ebook cover. Choose the correct template that are related to your topic. After chooses it, create stunning ebook cover. After you created cover, search Google Books Partner and click the first link. And click get started here. The link is also attached in the description, so check it out. Select self-published author and type the credentials. After that, you're ready to go. If you are in eligible country, you can sell books. Most of countries are available in Google Books Partner, so don't worry about that. Upload the PDF document and the cover that you created in Canva. Then set up the price of your ebook. I recommend you to put less than 100 rupees at the starting stage. After you get sales, increase the price gradually. Google will give 70% of that amount you put it on your ebook per scale. After you put your price, publish the ebook. If you want to learn full details about uploading your ebook and setting a price, then comment book partner to this video. I will make full detailed video about that. After publishing your ebook, don't simply sit and wait to get sale automatically. Try to promote your ebook in Instagram, Pinterest and other social media platforms. If you promote consistently, more people come and see your ebook, and even few of them may buy it. So do the promoting properly so that you can make money quickly as possible. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to TechD for more side hustles. Follow us on Instagram, Pinterest and Telegram for future updates. See you in a next video. Goodbye.